If you really want to make your interview or whatever you're filming a little bit extra interesting, you can do something like an action shot, someone walking through the picture, checking the time on his watch, or maybe even like here, walking into a door. And then in the next scene you will probably be inside the building. Now let's take this clip once again, but this time we'll divide it into 3 clips, and maybe this will actually look a little bit more interesting than just a one shot. So yes, please Noah, continue. So notice that we had moved a little bit further down the route that he was taking, and he looked at the watch. And here it's important to say, if you kind of combine 2 clips with a person that is walking, you need to make sure that he's walking in the same direction in every clip. I've changed position to the wrong position, and now it actually looks like he's moving into a complete different direction, even though he's actually moving along the same route as in the first video.